Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if it is the first time for reaching to my channel, please don't forget share and subscribe. Now let's provide a solution. Very quickly, then here we have given 4 to the power of y to the power of 4 plus y squared equals 20. Okay. Then what are you going to do? Of course, here we have this number. We can factorize this y squared, then to get y squared plus a 1 to be equal to 20. Since we have these variables that look like, we can relate t to be equal to y squared. Okay, then here we have a t, then t plus a 1 to be equal to 20. Then this can multiply inside here to get a t squared plus a t to be equal to 20. Okay, now here we can write this one as a t squared plus t then minus 20 to be equal to a 0. Right. Then here we can continue to this one, so that this is what we call quadratic equation. Here we can find two numbers we can multiply together to get 20, and their sum is a 1. Here we have 1, whereas here we have 20. We can write t squared plus a 5t, okay, then minus 4t minus a 20 to be equal to 0. So that these two numbers we can multiply together to get negative 20, and their sum is equal to 1. Okay, and then t, by factorize t, then t plus 5 minus a 4 t plus a 5 to be equal to 0. Okay, then by grouping this number and the variables which are outside of bracket together to get a t minus a 4 and a t plus a 5 to be equal to 0. Alright, then this t minus 4 will be equal to a 0, or t plus a 5 will be equal to a 0, so that our t equals to 4, or t equals to negative 5. By finding the value of y, as we have said, we know that y squared equals to a t. Okay, then y squared will be equal to a 4. Right, then here we have y squared to be equal to a 2 squared. Right, then after, our y here can be equals to a 2. Okay, now this is our y, whatever, but since we have squared here, we can take a y to be equal to positive or negative 2 right now, because we have a squared in number. If it can be negative or positive, solution cannot change. Okay, then we can come upon to this value of t we have right over here, which is y, which equal to negative 5, so that y will be, because here we have y squared, will be okay, negative 5. Then to take y only will be square root of negative 5. Then our y would be, okay, would be 5i. But this one, since it is complex number, this will be rejected. Now we can here verify or check if our answer is correct. Okay, then here we are supposed to have y power 4 plus y squared, which equal to 20. Then we have 2 power 2, okay, then plus 2, here we have 2 power 4 plus 2 squared equal to 20 question mark. Okay, then here we have a 16 plus a 4, which equal to 20. Then 20 will be equal to 20. Then left hand side equals to our right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and don't forget that if you press this negative number, always the same. Whatever you have the power, which is even number, your solution will not change. Okay.